Here are 3 scarcity mindset traps that may be holding you back. Number 1, savings account. Yes, it's important to have a savings account and build up an emergency fund, but if you're only putting money into a savings account and you're not investing, that's a problem. Most savings accounts will get you like maybe 0.02%. I know that's what my savings account does. But if you want to accelerate your wealth building process, you need to be investing in those individual businesses. My favorite case study is from a guy by the name of Ronald Reed. I know I talked about him in other videos, but he's the janitor who built up a net worth of over $8 million. The question is, how does somebody who's making minimum wage become a multimillionaire? Well, the answer is you find a few really strong stocks, usually pretty boring stocks with strong financials, and then you keep buying every month. You do not skip a month. You want to be buying every month. See, there are people out there, they'll sit on the sidelines and they'll say, you know what, I'm going to keep my money in savings just a little longer and I'm going to wait. Well, what happens is they wait 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and then maybe invest. That's a problem. You don't want to do that. You want to do what Ronald Reed does. And it's every month, the discipline to treat your investment account just like your utility bill, maybe your mortgage, maybe your rent, maybe cell phone bill. Every month you have to be paying those bills. Well, guess what? Every month you should be investing. DCA, dollar cost averaging. Number 2, investing is the same as gambling. Yes, there are actually people that say that, and they're very different from each other. So with gambling, you're using luck. Well, in most cases, you're using luck. I'm sure some of you out there can count cards, but it's very rare. But get this, I did a little homework, and about 13% of people can actually walk out of a casino with a profit. I was surprised it was even that high. But overall, 13%, that's still pretty bad. Now with investing, you're not using luck, you're using logic. And fortunately, there's a tool out there, Tykr, that can help you with that logic. Now in my case, I don't make money 13% of the time, I make money 100% of the time. And how I do that is simple, follow Rule 1 investing. Rule 1, don't lose money. Rule 2, don't forget Rule 1. What I do is I only sell stocks for a profit. So if I'm down at any point, I wait and I let the market rally and lift those stocks up, and that's when I sell for a profit. It's just a discipline thing, but it's pretty easy for most people to do. Don't freak out when stocks go down. If you got a strong stock, instead of selling, you want to just buy more. That's where you actually make your biggest returns. But overall, investing is not the same as gambling. Number 3, you're afraid to try something new. So the old saying goes, if you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you always got. This relates to building wealth, losing weight, and starting that business you always wanted to start. If you continue to sit on the sidelines talking about doing something, you're not doing yourself any favors. I know there are people out there talking about getting started with investing, but they're not doing anything. You have to take action. Find some strong stocks, start small. That's key. Start with like between $100 and $1,000 because your first objective is just to increase confidence. After you increase confidence, then you can get serious and start dialing that number up and invest every month with those strong individual businesses. So if I hit a nerve with any of these 3 points, my response to that is good. I hope you do something about it. Take action and start building your wealth. And a great way to do it is with the stock market, especially with a tool like Tykr. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like it, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to find some strong individual stocks you can start investing in today, I invite you to join Tykr for free.